How to recover permanently deleted Gmail account. First thing first, open up any web browser you have on your phone. And the first thing you're going to have to do is search for Gmail recovery on your search bar. Now click on this link support.google.com where you have how to recover your Google or Gmail account. Once you get to this link, scroll down a bit here until you find this option if you've forgotten your password, forgot the email address that you used to sign in. And there are many other options as well, like to recover a deleted Google account. Tap on recover your account and it will take you to a new page. So if you deleted your Google account, you may be able to get it back. If it's been a while since you deleted your account, you may not be able to recover your data in your account. In order to recover it, what you need to do is simply tap on this link to follow and recover your account. And you'll be taken to another page right here. Simply enter your Gmail address that has been deleted and then tap on next. Now what you're going to have to do is click on continue. Then on the next step, you're going to have to use the biometrics to recover your account. I'm going to click on try another way to use something else. Now from here, you can enter your password directly if you remember your account, or you could send a verification code on your secondary email. So I'm just going to click on try another way to see if there are any other possible ways. You could also check on your phone, so it will send you a link on your phone to check if it's you or not. Now once you tap on it and verify if that it's you, you could just go back and you can check your email after 6 hours to recover your account. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.